tungkol sa impeachment complaint ni Vice President Sara Duterte.
No, nga.
Meron ng final decision.
Mukhang nanindigan ng Supreme Court, ha? Oo.
Nagdesisyon po ang Supreme Court na i-deny o ibasura yung motion for reconsideration at panatilihin yung kanilang unang desisyon na nagsasabi unconstitutional, labag sa saligang batas, ito pong impeachment complaint dahil mga hindi sinunod ang mga patakaran na itinatadhana ng ating saligang batas.
Ayun, doon sa one
One-year ban.
year ban.
At saka dun sa proseso ng pagpapile nito.
Oho.
Yun ang sinasabi natin.
Okay.
Ito sabi ni Attorney Camille Su Meiting,
Spokesperson ng Supreme Court.
ng Supreme Court.
Aha.
May boses ba ito? O babasahin lang?
Mayroon daw, may boses.
Sige,
narinig ko sabi ng direct, may boses, may boses.
Pakinggan na ho natin. Si Attorney Ting.
By a unanimous vote of all those participating, the Supreme Court en banc denied with finality the motion for reconsideration filed by the House of Representatives, which sought to reverse the court's July 25, 2025 decision that declared the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte unconstitutional. It affirmed that the fourth impeachment complaint transmitted to the Senate on February 5, 2025 was already barred by Article 11, Section 3, Subsection 5 of the Constitution. Associate Justice Alfredo Benjamin Caguioa took no part. Associate Justice Maria Filomena Singh was on leave.
Ayun. So, ibig sabihin dyan, walang ni isa mang mahistrado o justice na Supreme Court ang nagbago ang isip o napaniwala ng mga nagsasabing mali yung unang desisyon.
Oo.